In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Surfer SEO with Gumloop step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have access to both a Gumloop account and a Surfer SEO account. If your Surfer plan includes API access, have those credentials ready as well. It also helps to start with a clear workflow idea like content optimization, keyword research, article scoring, or improving an existing draft. Having that goal in mind will make the setup much easier. Once you're ready, go into Gumloop, log in, and create a new flow. Give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, then open the workflow editor. At this stage, think of the overall path your automation will follow. A simple example would be starting with a keyword, sending it to Surfer SEO for analysis, passing the response into an AI step, and then producing optimized content as the final output. Next, add an input node to create the starting point of the workflow. This is where the information will enter your automation. Depending on your use case, that input could be a target keyword, an article URL, a blog draft, or even a content brief. The important thing is to choose the input type that matches the outcome you want. After that, connect Gumloop to Surfer SEO. There are a few possible ways to do this depending on what your account supports. If you have API access, add an HTTP request or API node in Gumloop, enter your credentials securely, configure the endpoint, and pass your keyword or content data into Surfer. If webhook support is available, you can configure a webhook in Gumloop, send your content or keywords over, and receive the optimization data back into the workflow. Another option is to use a third-party connector such as Zapier, Make, or custom middleware to move information between the two tools. Once the connection is in place, send your content for analysis. This could be a blog draft, a keyword, a competitor URL, or an existing article. Surfer SEO can return valuable data like content scores, suggested keywords, NLP terms, and optimization recommendations. When that data comes back into Gumloop, extract the response fields, structure the information properly, and pass it into the next nodes in your workflow. From there, add AI processing so the workflow can rewrite content, improve SEO coverage, generate missing sections, and naturally include recommended keywords. Then export the final results to wherever your team works best, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, a CMS, or an internal database. After that, test the workflow with several examples to confirm the data mapping, formatting, and final output all work correctly. Once everything looks good, automate the process using a trigger like a form submission, a new document, a content calendar event, or an on-demand run for specific articles.